In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Google Sites. So to do this, what you want to do first is on Google Sites, go to your site that you want to connect it with, and then click on the settings icon and go to custom domains. Here just click on connect a domain, and then go enter your domain that you bought on Namecheap, which for me is this right here. Now from here it says this domain is not verified. Please verify your ownership. So click verify your ownership, and then it will take you right here. So then just enter your domain again and click continue. And then from here you need to follow a few steps. So for doing this, just go and open up Namecheap, go to account and then dashboard, and head over into your domain list. Then next to the domain you want to use for this, click on the drop down and then manage. And then from here go to advanced DNS. And then what you can do is just delete your current DNS records if you don't need those. And then here on the Google Search Console, you can see I need to select a record type. So I can do TXT or CNAME. Now TXT is recommended, so I'll just do that one. And you can copy the TXT record below into the DNS configuration for DaniceTutorials.online. So just go and copy this right here. Now go to Namecheap and click on add new record, and then go and create a TXT record. And then under value, you want to add that right there. And in host, you can just add one of these icons and then click save changes. And now after doing that, go back to the Google Search Console and click verify. And then it may take a few minutes, but then it will say ownership verified. Now just gonna click done and go back to Google Sites. And now just click on connect a domain again and just gonna follow this step again by entering your domain. And then go to properties, what you want to do. Now after you have verified ownership, and by the way, when doing that, make sure that in the verification section here you are signed into the same Google account, since otherwise the verification will go to a different Google account. But just make sure that it is then verified and then click next. Now from here you can then connect to a third-party domain registrar. So in a separate tab, sign into your domains registrar websites, which we have already done. Go to your DNS settings and you need to create a new CNAME entry. Then basically what you want to do is just copy this right here. And now go and open up your Namecheap account. Then click add new record. Then here select CNAME. Then for host enter www, target right there. And then click save changes. And now after doing that, click done right here. And then it's assigning the domain. And now you can see custom domain has been assigned. So I now have this domain right here for my website. And now if I go and publish this, you can see that it does say allow up to 48 hours for this site to also be viewable at the domain you just connected. So it can take up to 48 hours to also be viewable for this domain. But you now have connected your Namecheap domain to Google Sites. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.